Hello, welcome to idsearchjane.com. So this is a software that allows you to create certificates and ID cards for your company. Okay, free. So this is the home page of the software. Okay, so if you have not registered, go ahead and click on sign up button. All right, enter your name, your email, and password, and click on register button to register your company on IDC jane.com. Okay, so if you have an account with the software, you should go ahead and click on login link. Okay, so I'm just going to log in with my demo account so that I can show you how to successfully set up your account with the id searchjane.com. Okay, so now when you click on login button, so your dashboard is going to open for you. Okay, so we need to explain some of those things that you need to do to successfully set up your account on idsatjane.com. Okay, so the first thing to do is to ensure that you create your director's signature. Okay, so now if you have your signature somewhere, you can upload your certificate on idsatjane.com. Okay, if you don't have your digital signature saved somewhere, you can easily use our tool to do that. Okay, you can just sign your signature here. The pad is very flexible to use, so when you are done with that, you can click on save signature. Okay, so when you save your signature, you can go back to your company dashboard. Okay, so after you have your director's signature, so the next thing to do is to click on this link here to set up your company logo, company name, director's name, company email, phone address, and all other information. Okay, so now this is your company name. Your company name could be Montessori Secondary School, Optimum Link Corp, Panagate Global Corp, and all that. Okay, so just ensure you type your company name here. All right, your director's name here, also your company email, company phone, company address, brand color, your website if you have a website, your slogan, and the ID card return message like times. Okay, for example, the person whose name appears at the front of this ID card is the bona fide, stuff like that. Just ensure you type your content here. All right, basically this is useful when you are creating an ID card for your student or your staff. Okay, so we have text direction. Okay, so basically the default setting is left to right. Okay, for the English speaking countries. Okay, but for the Arabic speaking country, you can select right to left. Okay, so the next one is your language. We have about 30 languages here. So select your preferred language. And let's go ahead and talk about the two templates that we have, okay, on idsearchjane.com when it comes to your company logo. So if your company logo looks like this, either round, square, okay, you should choose template A. And of course, this is the size. The software is going to automatically resize your logo for you, but it's advisable to also resize your logo so that it can maintain the same resolution. Okay, so if your company logo looks like this, you should choose sample B. Okay, so let's go ahead and select your company logo type. For my company, I'm going to choose sample B because our company logo looks like this. Okay, so now this is where to upload your logo. Click on this browse option to upload your logo, and this your signature. Click on this portion to also upload your you know signature. When you are done with that, you click on save button. Okay, so after that, let's go back to dashboard. After we have signed, we have created the director signature, we have also set our company logos, okay, a company name, brand color, and all that. So the next thing is to create your category. Okay, so click on this link to create your category. So when you are creating category, it's like you are creating template for your company. Okay, so you can say that this category is for staff ID card, this category is for student ID card, maybe, okay, college ID card, maybe, primary ID cards. Okay, so the certificate allows you, I mean, the template, the category allows you to create a template, a mini template for your organization. Okay, so for example, I can say, you know, staff ID card. All right. So, and I'm going to select a template. Okay. So if I select this template here, Axpaint design, this is how your ID card is going to look like when you generate your ID card. Okay. So if you select, okay, sample 2 or template 2, this is exactly how your ID card is actually going to come out. Okay, and if you choose this guy here, okay, so I'm just going to select this willow design for our junior staff ID card, and I'm going to click on save button. Okay, so we have our template successfully created. We have junior staff ID card, and the template is willow design. Okay, so when you are done with the category, okay, so you need to upload your complete, okay, employees, and to do that, click on this link. All right, you can, create, okay, one after the other. Okay, just fill the form. But if you want to upload your employees, okay, bulk upload, you should click on this button option here. Okay, but before you do that, you need to download sample template. Okay, so when you download sample template, fill all your staff name and information there. Okay, so when you are done with that, save, okay, the Excel file. Come to this option here, click here, okay, to browse the Excel file, select the category that we have created. Okay, so what I'm saying is that all these staff, okay, they are going to inherit this junior, okay, category, junior staff ID card category. And if you go back to categories, okay, the junior staff is actually, okay, using this willow design. It means that all our employees, okay, that we are going to upload, of course, they are going to be using the, okay, willow design. I can easily, this is the one I've created, so I can change this to willow design. Okay, I can change this to junior staff. Okay, if I change this to junior staff, it means that junior staff is actually using, okay, is using willow designs. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. So basically, category, okay, or creating categories allow you to create template for your organization. It allows you to be able to, differentiate or use different types of designs for your organization. Okay, so if you want to use IDSATGen, okay, .com for, companies, okay, for company like staff, employee, and all that, you can stop here. But if you are school, okay, if you are a school that needs to create an ID card, okay, for your, staff, maybe teachers, teaching staff, and non-teaching staff, and student, you can, also go ahead to create your student here. The reason we differentiate employee and student is that in student we may be talking about department, we may be talking about your class section. Okay, so an employee, we don't have that, so that is why we create different form for employee and student. So if you want to upload box student also, you should click on the option button, download the design template, fill your student, come here to upload it, select your category. Okay, of course I'm going to pick student ID card. Okay, so click on save to upload your student. All right, so you can also do that at the navigation menu here. Okay, so you can sign here, go to settings to create your company name, director's name, company brand, color, and all that information. So this is where to create your category. So basically, when you are new to idsatjane.com, the first thing to do is to create your director signature, upload your company logo, create category template, okay, for your organization. All right, upload your employees. If you are a school, upload your students here, okay. So now let generate an ID card for our employee, okay. So this is it. I go to employees, click on employee ID cards. Okay. So now I'm just going to preview to see the designs. Okay, this is coming up beautiful. So this is our, designs that we have chosen. Okay. So let's go back and change the category design. So this is for the staff ID card. So I mean, this is for junior staff. So I'm going to change the design templates to maybe Jade, okay, or Storm. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. It means that our employee is using junior staff, okay, Storm design. If I click on preview, so this is how your ID card is going to come out. Okay, so beautiful. So if you are satisfied with that, you should click on print button, okay, to print your ID card. So let's talk about the certificate. Okay. Now let's go back to dashboard. We have different, kinds of design on idsatjane.com. Okay. So this is for the employees template. Okay, you can scroll down. We have a lot of ID cards there. Okay, and this is for student template. As at the time that I'm recording this video, we have about 4 template for student. Of course, we are still going to add more designs to this. Okay, so and after the student template, we have our certificate also. Okay, so if you want to create certificate, you can easily go to employee, go to certificate. Okay, so we don't have bulk upload for certificate right now, so you need to create the form one after the other. Okay, so if you have generated, okay, certificate, it's advisable you preview to see how it looks like. So I'm just going to click on print to see. Okay, I don't have unit. Okay, so if you have unit, you should see your certificate printed out. So let's go to student. I'm going to click on student ID card, then click on print preview to see the ID card preview. Okay, this is it. All right, so if you change the category, let's go back to categories. Okay, this is the student ID card. I'm going to click on edit button, change design to maybe Vista. Okay, this is for the staff. I'm going to locate student ID card. Okay, so let's choose this star. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. It means all our students, okay, they are going to inherit, okay, start designs for our ID cards. I'm just going to click on preview to see the option. Have you seen? This is the student ID card, very beautiful. So if you want to print, just click on print, okay, button, then okay, I don't have plan. If I have plans, then I can easily print this ID card. Okay, so let's talk about the certificate also. Then create your student certificate here. So when you are done, you can click on preview. Also, this is the preview of the template. Okay, so now you can now click on print to see your beautiful certificate. Basically, this is how IDSAT Gen works. Okay,